What is YouTube TV Max? Max on YouTube TV refers to the integration of Warner Bros. Discovery streaming service Max into YouTube's TV platform. This allows subscribers to access Max's extensive library of content, including popular shows, movies, and exclusive Max originals, directly through their YouTube TV subscription. Key features: comprehensive content library. Subscribers can enjoy a wide range of programming, such as acclaimed series like Game of Thrones, The Sopranos, and Sex and the City, along with a vast selection of movies and Max originals. Seamless integration. Max is available as an add-on on YouTube TV, enabling users to access Max's content without switching between different platforms. Subscription details. Pricing. Adding Max to your YouTube TV subscription incurs an additional cost of $15 per month. Access. Once subscribed, Max's content is accessible directly through the YouTube TV interface, providing a unified viewing experience. How to subscribe? Via YouTube TV app. Open the YouTube TV app on your device. Navigate to the store section. Select Max and follow the prompts to add it to your subscription. Number 2, through YouTube TV website. Visit the YouTube TV website, sign into your account, go to Settings, Membership, find Max, and select the option to add it to your subscription.